Hello and good evening, everyone. Tonight, I read y'all a bedtime story. This story is called Bambi, written by Lisa Baker. Where Mikey retold by Big John Mike. If you need it, like, subscribe, and comment. Springtime in the forest, deep in the forest, Dumbo and the bunny was spinning exciting news. A new principal is out. You know this video? See? And now back to Lily, a mama deal lay with her newborn son. Did a quiet again said friend Al. It ain't even day every day a principal. The mama deer named her son Bambi. You see Bambi, y'all? They passed and Bambi began to explore his world. There was so much to see. Good morning, got a possum. Some possums. Bambi's on his head. Often greet them. You see Bambi? You see the front owls? The possum? Then a voice whistle popped out of the ground, and "Good morning," said the most start still Baby. Dump, dump to the ground. Every day, Baby friends showed him new things. The double apples, the rainbow. Repeated Baby. A bird, the cried Dumbo. Bird, said Bambi loudly. The bunny sealed. See? 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 The boy said, Bambi. Boy said Bambi. Again when a butterfly landed on his tail. Bambi jumped aloud. No, that butterfly. Then Dumbo introduced his friend to fly up as Bambi bent toward them and said he found himself nothing with a stump. Flower, said Bambi. Proudly, Dumbo giggled. But flower, that was less company for then on. You see? When tanto Wompo Bambi hurried to his cozy deck, tongue twinked as he nested close to his mother. The patter of rain dawned him to see later sunrise fell the sky again, and baby mother decided time to show him the meadow. You see, the meadow was so green that baby started darted forward, but his mother leaped in front of him. There may be dangers, he scoffed. What baby mother was thought it was safe. Baby out into the field, Sonny. You ho, oh, wipe it, whip it, whip it. Baby followed the fog until he is flat into a nearby pond. And Bambi noticed his own reflection, and that was my girlfriend. Oh, that's such a picture. You see? See? That little funny baby. Mama said to him, "Go on, say hello." Hello, he said sadly. Funny giggled and began to seize him. Baby saw the game in the game. They played happily in the field. Baby found a new friend. See, see. That a dundle or the of the horror see together into the meadow. A big tree stopped and looked at Bambi. Bambi asked his mouth, "Who is Segway?" She answered, "He is very brave and wise. He is the great prince of the forest." He also Bambi follow. See, see. Suddenly a gunshot sounded as the animal scaled Bambi lost his mind in the great gun was great point was at Bambi's eye. He reunited Bambi with his one led them to safety. See, Bambi found Dumbo and skating on the frozen pond. Come on, baby, Thunder called. Bambi slipped into his belly, and when Dumbo tried to cheat, him how to balance on the ice. Bambi slid them both onto the snowbank. You see? Then they saw it landed by the smell. Martin, well, Flower lay sleeping. Far explained that couldn't sleep through the window. Good night, he mumbled. There's no they seem in it. The food court. I'm hungry, mother, said Baby. Wonder won't last forever, she told him. Answer him. Finally, Baby saw the full sunscreen in a small patch of grass. Baby was nipping at the gunshot, was nipping at it with a gun. So when it won for the trinket, cried his mom, Baby ran as fast as he could, and when he reached at the end of the ticket, he remembered Mother, but she wasn't there. Baby for a second consult. Let me show you the picture. See? As Baby cried, the great prince appeared before him. Your mother can't be with you anymore, he answered succinctly. Come with me, my son, together. Baby his father walked into the forest. See? Before long, flowers began to bloom and both songs filled the air. Even flower and awakened from his long window seat. Spring had arrived. See? See the flower and the bow. During the window, Baby had grown into a handsome buck, and Ben Dumple and Flutter had both gone to the forest. When friend Al saw them, he said, it, it won't be long before you are three-pated. Everyone fell in love into the springtime. There was three friends decided it would not happen to them. See? But when Flower saw a pretty stump, he happily walked off with Forrest. Then Dumple came across a fluffy bunny. When she pet his, pet his ears, petted his ears, Dumple's foot went thump, thump, thump. Oh, forgot to tip us again. There you go. Feeling lonely when Bambi stopped to drink from a pond, a familiar face looked back at him the perfection. Don't you remember me? At the street voice, I'm Farley. Farley the fawn had gone to a beautiful stove. See? Together, Bam and Farley lay in the meadow, exactly as they had done the song before. Now Bam understood what Phil meant. He never felt so happy. See, see, see. Suddenly, an angry society appeal held grass falling as the saddle tried to force her to come with him. Ben buzzed the sack with the or his drink. The weather said a lit away and from that day Bambi and Funny walked on surfboard. See? Bambi awoke one morning scenting a thing of smoke was in the air. He could not he could see a fire burning. The great prince told him, Amen, we must go deep to Fort Holy. See? News of the dangerous spread frightened animals go on the ground or waves deeper into the forest. See? As for Link so for Bambi, hunting dogs some apple from the bushes. Bambi to grab the hound snap at her heel, barking forcing Funny to for frozen Funny was trapped. As then Bambi sprung out of the woods and saw that the dog with his soft antlers. He attacked one dog after another until Funny bounced to safety. See, Bambi escaped the dog, but he leaped into after Funny a gunshot wounded Bambi into the ground. Fire wings toward him, but he couldn't get up. Then he heard the voice of the great prince. See? must get up, Bambi, said the great prince. Bambi said, "He's into his feet. Follow me," his father said. "We must go be safe in the river." Soon they came to a waterfall where the who nowhere else to turn. They leaped into the water below. Bambi and the great prince finally reached the island well, falling stood waiting. Even as they walked the beautiful forest bone, they all knew that when Meg was gone, Emma would baby rebuild their homes. See, Otto to turn to go, White Wind, and then to spring. Wake up, friend now, said Dumbo, and his full dumplings, baby bunnies. It happened called Flower to the baby stuck. Go behind him. Then the ammo circle around the dick will cricket will falling in her two falling. Queen baby ought to be my passive the owl as the phone opened her eye to greet the feeling visitors. See, Baby was now the prince of the forest, and as he and his family began the Africa Baby, although the lesson he hoped to teach his sister, as he had learned from his mother and father long ago. The end. You like the story up? Upgrade, hit the like button, subscribe if new here, and subscribe to all my channels. And I'll see y'all, I'll see y'all next time.